we're off to a wonderful start. Excellent. What is this? Insane. Hi guys, so for today's video I have finally, I feel like I've been waiting for this for ages, it's the Lush kitchen box. This month is so exciting. I have the XL. Well, there should be the XL in here, fingers crossed. Let's open it up and have a little look-see. It is the XL, I'm so happy! So we've got our little slip in there with all of our products on that I will take a look at the end probably. This smells incredible, like really incredible. So this is this month's picture on the box. It's the little slip out box again, and on the front it's got What's Up Choc on it. So it's an Easter theme, and I think it's a predominantly sort of chocolatey theme, which is lovely. So let's slide it open and have a look. I'm just gonna grab randomly like I usually do. So the first thing we've got is the Heavenly Bodies Buttercream. Wonderful. So this says, it says Cocoa Absolute, brackets, real natural chocolate perfume, organic cocoa butter and fresh orange juice, bless you with a saintly soft skin. It's a chocoholic's dream. It's like a very mild chocolate orange scent, which I think I've seen a lot of people say a lot of this is like chocolate orangey, so I'm very excited. I'm excited to try this. Oh, it's quite solid. I don't know if I've used a buttercream before. So that's what it looks like, and as you can see, it's pretty firm. I'm really very excited to use that. Stunning. That smells delicious. We're off to a wonderful start. Excellent. Next we have, very, very excited for this. It's the chocolate orange shower gel. And if you remember my spoilers video, it was said that this was going to be Sonic Death Monkey repackaged, but I didn't believe that. And I don't think it is from what I've read of people getting their boxes. So I don't think it's Sonic Death Monkey, so let's just give it a sniff. No. Is it? Let's have a squirt. Ooh, it's very thick. Very, very thick. Oh my gosh, it's like a Terry's, literally like a Terry's chocolate orange. Oh, well done, Lush. It says, have some quality time in the shower with this rich chocolatey cocoa powder and fresh orange infusion wash. So excellent, wonderful. I did say in the video, I'm pretty sure, that I was praying it would smell like chocolate orange. And I think a lot of people were hoping it would smell like chocolate orange. So yay for that, yay. Oh, I'm so happy with that. So happy. I can't believe this is my first XL box. Isn't this exciting? This next one is a bath bomb. Lush Kitchen on the bottom. This is Hagen bath bomb. Ingredients wise, it's got cocoa butter, soybean flour, almond oil, cocoa powder, citric acid. Let's give it a sniff. Oh, this is what I can smell. Jeez Louise. Oh, it just smells like chocolate, mint chocolate chip ice cream. Or a little bit mixed with spearmint polos. Oh, how fabulous. Well, this is going swimmingly, isn't it? That smells delicious. Cannot wait to use that. I don't know what all these little bits are in there. Is it chocolate? Cocoa? Who knows? This is exciting. It looks like there might be brown or something in the middle, maybe. That's bloody delicious. Next up, we have the carrot soap. Very cute. Ooh, bubbly on the bottom. Lovely. Let's sniff this. Nice. Carrot scented, I believe. I can't remember what else was carrot scented, but I don't not like it. It's nice. It's just doesn't wow me, and I have a lot of soap, so I probably won't keep this. It does smell nice though. It feels very creamy as well. Some of the ingredients in here, You've got your oils, your coconut, your rapeseed, extra virgin coconut, carrot powder, cedarwood, tangerine oil and benzoyl resinoid. Does just smell quite fresh, to be honest. Slightly citrusy, but it's more like a sort of fresh scent. That's all I can really describe it as, but it's very nice. Just probably won't keep it because like I said, I've got tons of soaps on the go and I don't want to waste them. Next up is the 13 Rabbits Lush Melt, and this one says, a trip to chocolate heaven, no golden ticket required. Fair trade organic cocoa butter, sweet cocoa and spicy cinnamon and clove powders. Melt in the bath or wax burner for an undeniable indulgence. So it literally looks like a bar of chocolate, which is fabulous. Love that. Ooh. I feel like I remember smelling something like this when I was younger. What's this been in before? That's really delicious though. It is very chocolatey, but you can smell a little niggle of, I'm assuming it's the cinnamon and the clove. What is this? Oh wow, this really resonates with me and is giving me like memories. That's stunning. This box is going swimmingly. What a wonderful box. I knew this would be up my street when it was chocolate, because I love posh chocolate, and if it was all chocolatey like I wanted it to be, which it is so far, then yay, woohoo. That is delicious. I nearly forgot there was a perfume in here. I had to count my products. There's another product after, but I would have forgotten about this if I hadn't have dug round. This is the Perfume Behind Your Ears Solid Perfume. I'm gonna sniff this, but I'm not going to keep it because I never use solid perfumes. It is just a waste and I don't want to waste it. So this will be going straight up on Vinted if you want to go and if you want it. Nice, it is, but not like a proper scent that I would love, you know. It's a little bit mild, but I feel like you'd probably want to put it on your skin to get a better scope of the scent, but I'm obviously not going to touch it because I'm going to sell it. So Jasmine Absolute, Neroli, Rose, and some oils. It is just slightly floral, a little bit sweet. It's nice, nothing too offensive. Probably a really nice spring scent, to be honest with you. So yeah, we have that one as well. And then last up, which I'm so excited for because you know I love these, it's the Lucky Bunny Shower Jelly. This one says, nuzzle up with this sweet jelly bunny to cleanse and soften skin and burrow into a scrummy smelling vanilla peppermint sweetness. That's what it looks like. Loving the purple on the labels as well, very, very pretty. Can you see him? I'm going to get him out in a sec, but I'll give him a sniff first. I can't remember what this scent was, but it's really nostalgic and it's bloody stunning. I'll pop it round here, but that's going to wind me right up. Hang on, have I got my phone? I do. Let's have a quick look. I didn't say it in my video, but it's just come to me. It's Honey Trap, isn't it? Honey Trap lip balm. Oh, insane. Literally delicious, sweet honey scent. Oh, that is blooming gorgeous. So, vegan white chocolate, peppermint oil, vanilla absolute, sweet wild orange. It just smells like a lovely honey vanilla-y scent to me. It's absolutely gorgeous, creamy and delicious. Love that. Wow, what a fantastic experience for my first XL box. I'm so happy. I like it all, I do, but I'm not going to keep the perfume purely because I don't use perfumes, the solid ones, and I'm not going to keep the soap because I've got 1,000 soaps to use up, so I don't want to add on to the collection. So 5 products I love, so that's just fantastic. Very, very happy. I'm going to have the most delicious chocolatey bath later. It's going to be insane. Stick around, I'll test all the products out and get them uploaded on little shorts for you guys as well. Did you guys get this month's box? Which box did you get? And what is your favourite product? Do let me know in the comments. So happy with that, so happy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you all soon. Bye.